What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today's interview question is on CPU utilization. So if your CPU utilization crosses 80%, how would you set up a notification? Let's say you want to send out an email. How would you set up a notification? So we'll show a demo first. After that demo, we'll discuss the answer. And at the end, we'll have quiz. So stay till the end. You can participate in the quiz and validate your understanding. Okay. So this demo is a demo contributed by Avantika. And if you guys also want to contribute, let me know. You can directly ping me on my DevOps Challenger page. You can message me there. So let's have a look at the demo.
Okay, so if my EC2 instance's CPU utilization threshold goes above 80%, then I can use CloudWatch to send an alert to my system. So I do that using the CloudWatch in alarms settings. So I go to alarms and then in alarm. So as you can see, I have no alarm, so I'll create one. Now I shall select the metric. Now based on my account ID, I will select the CPU utilization, which is over here.
Yeah, based on her instance ID, she selected the CPU.
I will select this metric and continue. So I will use the greater than threshold. So if my CPU utilization goes above 80%, it will calculate, it will send an alert to my email. Now, how do I send an email to email? By using SNS. Okay, so now I will send a notification and configure the action by using my SNS topic. I have already created an SNS topic previously, which is called CloudWatch Alerts. Now it is connected to my email. I can add many more emails to this so that whenever there's an alert, it can send to all the other emails which is existing.
So there are
Now,
different
for that,
options.
we'll say next.
Like notification.
And send to.
You can see that there is a configured action, lambda action, EC2 action. So many different things you can do.
And give the alarm name as high CPU utilization alert. And then save it. So now this is a preview. The preview is if it's at 80%, higher than 80%, then it will send an alert. And then I will create the alarm. Now, if you can see, there's my high CPU utilization alert alarm.
Okay. So the steps are have to go to CloudWatch alarm in alarm, then create the alarm, select the threshold. Like if it is like a CPU utilization, select your CPU using instance ID, then CPU utilization metric greater than 80%. And then under additional settings, there will be some additional settings also. If you scroll down, there will be some additional configuration. So in the additional configuration also, you can select 2 out of 3 or 1 out of 2, or if it is like a 2 times, if it crosses, then only like you are going to set the alarm. So set the trigger, so that you can set. And after that, you create the alarm. And you have if and before that you have to create SNS notification. So you create a SNS topic and subscribe to that topic, email and etc. So when alarm happens, so it will be sending a notification to that SNS topic, and whoever subscribe to that SNS notification, they will get message like email or SMS or anything, right? So that's how we can send the message. So now let's go to the answer. So CloudWatch alarm, create alarm, choose CPU utilization metrics for that particular EC2 instance. Threshold is greater than 80%. And you can select like 2 consecutive period of 5 minutes. So in the extra settings, extra configuration, and then attach SNS topic and subscribe email lambda etc. to that SNS topic. And notification will be sent to that. So example can be in one project we had a backend API server under operation load spikes. So we set up CloudWatch alarm that notified on-call DevOps email when CPU crossed 80%. That helped us detect when autoscaling was needed. So this is how you can set up the alarm. And let's go to the quiz section. You can pause the video and try to answer the quiz. If an instance issued instance has basic monitoring enabled, what is the minimum period you can set for the CPU alarm? So minimum period for the CPU alarm will be basic monitoring duration. That is 5 minutes. Answer is 5 minutes B. CloudWatch alarm on CPU utilization greater than 80% for 2 consecutive 5-minute period will trigger after 2 into 5, 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will be triggered. The answer is B. 2 into 5 minutes. Which statement about CloudWatch CPU alarm is false? Namatic is case sensitive. This is true. Alarm can be triggered and alarm can trigger SMS notification. True. You must install agent to get CPU metric. This is wrong. This is not correct. CPU metric can be easily you don't need CloudWatch agent for that. That's the default one. Alarm state can be okay. Alarm insufficient data, but it is also correct. So the answer is C. You must install a cloud agent to get CPU metric. So this is false. This is not true. You set a CPU alarm at 80% but stable due to micro. The CPU spikes to 90% for 30 seconds, then drop to 20%. What happens? So you have set up 80% and CPU spikes to 90% for 30 seconds, then drops to 20%. What happens? So in AWS CloudWatch, even if it's digital monitoring 1 minute enabled, it's less than 1 minute means 60 seconds. So this will be probably missed out unless it is false at the same time. And if it is a 1 minute also, it is good. It will be missed out. But that like a 1 minute window and then it's falling on the window itself, then it will be captured. Otherwise, it won't be triggered. So answer will be alarm never triggers. So high chances that alarm will never get triggered. So answer will be C. Alarm never gets triggered. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow DevOps Challenge Hub LinkedIn page and participate in the quiz contest. And you can also follow my WhatsApp channel, DevOps Challenge Hub. I post updates regularly. So thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.